to the Full Passage YouTube channel. In this series of videos, we'll be walking through the Common application. This video will show you how to complete the FERPA and Recommenders section of the Common app. When you open a specific school, you will not have a green check here. To get that green check, you'll need to go under the FERPA Release Authorization. This page talks to you about what FERPA is and why you would want to waive this right to read your recommendations before the college sees them. You'll go ahead and check the box and hit continue. Authorizing every school that you have attended in the past will release all requested records. You'll choose to waive your right or not, and you understand that your waiver is applied to all schools. Sign your name and move forward. You'll then have a green check, but you're not quite finished. You still need to invite and manage your recommenders. It's important to remember that when you're putting in counselors, you're not choosing someone from Full Passage. You're choosing your high school counselor. Under Type, when you have Select an Option, you will have the option to write Counselor here. I will choose now to input one that counts as Other, and you will input that person's name. And of course, you'll want to add their email address. Now, you can see that I have done this for a previous video down here, Other Recommender, so I already have someone in. If you make that mistake, it will flag you and let you know. Let's look at what happens when you do add a recommender. When you manage it, they've told you that these are the people that you have invited already to work with you through Navient. When you see a specific school, for example, I'm in Colorado State University, you're going to want to pay attention to how many are required and how many are allowed and what kind. This school specifically asks for 1 teacher required or up to 3 allowed, and they don't require an additional recommender, but they do allow one. So this is where you would put a recommender like your clergy or an employer. So each school is going to be different in that respect. You're going to want to pay attention to what is required and what is allowed. And that's also why you're given the option to add teachers, clergy members, as well as counselors. So keep that in mind. If you have more questions about that, you may want to check out the video about recommenders on the Common App tab. If you have any other questions, you can let us know here at Full Passage.